I'm Sarah with Child's Pose Studios, and this is your 30-day Kids Yoga Challenge. So grab a water bottle and meet me on the mat. This is probably the easiest pose we're going to learn all month. You guys probably know it, you've heard of it. Even if you've never heard of it, you've probably done it before. This pose is called Ragdoll. Have you ever seen a stuffed animal, kind of the way that a doll might flop? That's what we're gonna do with our body. We're going to come into Ragdoll. It's a standing pose because this week is all about standing poses. But it's a forward fold, which means we are going to fold our body over ourselves and watch how easy this is. Deep breath in. Told you guys that was easy. All the way down. What's really special about Ragdoll is it allows our body to stretch out in a different way because we are folded over our body. Our head hangs heavy, our arms hang heavy, maybe our knees bend a little bit. Maybe you can touch the ground. Can you look out under your legs? If you are seeing under your legs, that means that you have really let your head relax. And you guys have heard me say this before, but your head gets so heavy and it makes your neck so tired from holding it up all day that this is a nice stretch to really relax your neck. Who gets tired from holding your head? Take a deep breath in. And maybe you sink a little bit lower. In your next inhale, roll all the way up. One vertebrae, those are the bones in your back, at a time. The last thing to come up is your head. See if you can even roll up slower than me. Roll your shoulders, lift your head, come all the way up. That was it. That was Ragdoll. Told you it was gonna be one of the easiest poses of our challenge, but it is so important to stretch your back, to stretch your legs, to stretch your hamstrings, to stretch your calves, all these parts of our legs and our back and our shoulders and our neck and our head. So let's do it together one more time. Deep breath in. And with a deep exhale, drop your body into Ragdoll. Just like that stuffed animal you have at home that doesn't have any bones and muscles like we do. Just kind of hangs heavy and light and free. Deep breath in. Sink down a little bit more. I feel it in the backs of my legs. I feel it in the fronts of my legs. Deep breath in and out. On the next inhale, roll all the way up. See if you can roll your body up slower than mine. All the way up, roll your shoulders back. Lift your head, deep breath in. Nice work, you guys. You just finished your Ragdoll. That's it. It was that easy. So make sure you guys tune in, subscribe on YouTube, and I'll see you right here tomorrow on the mat. Bye, guys.